Hello everyone, this is Mali Akhtar. Today I am discuss about evaluation of our event management business in digital marketing. That is how digital marketing channel helps to our business. That is social media just a marketing platform. It's the event management tool. And the next one is social media deliver information to public. Social media is engage client to our organization, and the last one is 92% of client trust social media, word of mouth, recommendation from friends and family, which build confidence and client satisfaction. And the next one is how to engage clients with our event management service. That is, it's created the trust and strong relationship. Most of the clients share their ideas. This helps other client in taking decision related to their event. And the last one is digital marketing helps client in getting as many ideas and uploaded information. Here you can see that the criteria for evaluating digital marketing for our business, that is digital marketing evaluation is a true examine and identification of our specific goal, and for our business marketing strategy requiring a specific goal to disguising between success and failure. And the next one is identify customer base and profile. So it's important for our business that to remember that a good digital marketing plan is founded on a series or well constructed client profile that outline the specified type of people that can be reached through the campaign. Then another one is digital present and analysis. So as we re-examine the type of client our target, we will also want to predically express where and not where activities participation on the right digital representative. And the last one is evaluation our message strategy. So take a look at the specific type of message being released and specific evaluation. That's all guys. Thank you guys for watching this video.